Hey everybody, it's Miss Lucy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your very own bowling game out of recycled materials. This is a fun, easy activity for you to do with your whole family, and you can do it either inside or outside, wherever you have a hallway or a long walkway. First, let's think about what we need to bowl. When you think about a bowling alley, what do you see there? Pins, balls, a lane. Can you think of things that you have in your house that we could use to recreate these items that we see at the bowling alley? You might have guessed it, but here's what we'll need for indoor bowling. 10 plastic bottles or aluminum cans or plastic cups, but make sure that they're empty. One ball that you can use inside, so maybe a tennis ball or a pet toy ball or a rolled up pair of socks even, anything that you can use inside, and a long hallway or a long stretch of ground, like maybe the sidewalk even. Another thing that you could make that's optional is a scorecard. So in a bowling scorecard, you want to make sure that you have one row for each person who is bowling and 10 columns at the top because there are going to be 10 rounds in a game of bowling. And then in each cell of the table, you're going to divide up in the right top corner into two different parts so we can record how many pins are struck down during the first roll and the second roll. And now it's time to set up our game. So first we're going to take our pins, so our cans, bottles, or whatever we might have found around the house, and set them up in a triangle shape. So we're going to start with 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, totaling 10 pins. Then we are going to make a marker of where the person who is bowling has to stand when they're bowling. So it has to be pretty far away, like the full distance of a hallway. The game of bowling is very simple. Try to knock down as many pins as you can in 2 tries. Some of the rules about how you score bowling get kind of tricky, but for our sake today, we're going to do the more simplified version, and it goes like this. That was so fun! Thanks for joining me! I really missed not being able to go to the bowling alley, but luckily I found a way to bring the bowling alley into my house. Are there any activities that you really miss? Can you think of ways that you could recreate them in your house? Let us know by emailing us at program@girlsincofchicago.org. See you next time!